Mental toughness and brain training. Train your memory to new abilities. Improve your memory and focus. Develop strategies. Skills for emotion regulation with Dialectical Behavior Therapy. Written by Cindy F. Crosby. Narrated by DMS. Brain Training Mastery. Improve your memory, focus, and self-confidence. Written by Cindy F. Crosby. Narrated by DMS. The brain's structure and how it works. The brain is an incredible 3-pound organ that regulates all the body's processes, interprets knowledge from the outside, and reflects the mind and soul's nature. The brain is the organ that regulates the activities of all other organs in a person's skull. The brain is a very complex part of the body, and it does a lot of different tasks. The brain is the center of thought, speech, temperament, imagination, and memory as well. The brain requires a considerable amount of the oxygen and nutrient energy that a person regularly absorbs to do his job. Our mind allows us to make decisions, remember things, carry out our daily tasks, which we often take for granted, and make it possible for us to process information. Without the functions of the brain, a human being is in a void with no chance of having a healthy life. In our 5 senses, the brain receives information: sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. The senses assemble the signals in a way that makes sense for us and can store them in our brains. Human memory and its 5 systems. Over the years, neuroscience has helped us better understand how our brain works. There are, however, many gray areas that scientists are exploring. A small detour through the memory and its operation. The human brain is made up of about 100 billion neurons capable of establishing up to 10,000 connections with their neighbors each. The brain also has glial cells, at least as important as neurons. Their precise role is still poorly known, but it has recently been discovered that these cells also establish connections, both with each other and with neurons. We know that glial cells make myelin, a fat that increases the speed of nerve impulse propagation along nerve fibers at speeds of 10 to 75 meters per second. The brain is therefore a...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?